Look at how beautiful this is. The push of one button, the fire turns on. Do you have a roasted marshmallow? Oh, that looks like perfect. What does it smell like?
Smells like delicious.
So fire and water go together like peas and carrots. What do you think of your fire rock, dude?
Cool.
This is what it's all about right here. It's as good as it gets. And Laura, here's the cool thing. Your fans can win one of these just by going to Instagram. And here we are, my first time to American Stone. And there's a beautiful Aquascape stack slate urn. People hard at work. There's my man Sergio. I love it. I've had a customer here. Hey, buddy. You picking up some Aquascape stuff?
Yeah, we're installing 3 fountains, like a custom build like this.
I love it.
Yeah, it's going on top of a kitchen, outdoor kitchen.
Oh, I gotta come see it.
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun running into a customer. So my first time visiting here, and I hear they have turtles. Look at this indoor display. What a cool desk you have. Look at this. This is so nice. Hello, hey guys. Tony, how you doing? This is my first time here.
All right, welcome.
You've invited me to see your famous turtles. Yeah, good to see you. This is really nice. You got some nice fish here. This is in the middle of your building. This is the coolest thing ever. I am completely jealous. Oh yeah, that's a big turtle. Man, this is way more impressive than I was expecting. This is so cool. Look at that. That's a big red ear slider. So is that the fire rock I'm picking up? Look at this. I don't even need you. I can see it. So this is going. The next stop is Laura at Garden Answer. But guys, this is the kind of place that distributes our product. You can see all this Aquascape. I'm not used to the rock yards being so clean or having turtles. That's cool. Look at the size of these rocks. Wow. Look at the size of the rocks it comes in. That is incredible. All right, from the Aquascape warehouse to American Stone to Laura at Garden Answer, we are taking this baby and we're gonna actually change how she uses her property with this fire rock. How beautiful are these displays? Little pondless waterfalls. Listen to that sound. We got the spillway bowls, drilled rocks, stacked slate sphere, all here at American Stone. All right, now the trick is to get that into my camper. All right, here we go. There it is from the street. Potatoes, Idaho potatoes. Hey, here we are, Idaho Oasis. Back to pick up some fish from my customer Ron, and excited to surprise Garden Answer with them. So nice to be greeted by that sound. Hey, how you doing, man? Hey, Ron, how's it going?
Pretty good.
How's it going, buddy? Good to see you again. Yeah, this is kind of new over here.
Got a little wetland filter that comes up and...
Oh, that's awesome. Nice, man. So where are the fish for Laura and Benjamin and Samantha and Aaron? You've had them now for what, 3 weeks?
Something like that.
Yeah, so they're in quarantine. So we got 3 fish here, then we got to pick one new one out, right?
Yep.
All right, let's get some fish. Fun. Going fishing. Woo. Woo. All right, we got our 4 fish. Next stop, Garden Answer.
Hey guys, how's it going? So today we have a special visitor on his way right now. Hey, greeting committee! Here is Greg Whitstock, here again.
So fun to be here, and happy anniversary. I got you some anniversary gifts.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited to have Greg with us today. You know, this July, he and a bunch of his certified Aquascape contractors from all over the country met here to put this pond in for us. It's an Aquascape ecosystem pond, but you know, the last time they were here, the pavers weren't in.
It's exciting to be back with a beautiful weather day.
I know.
I left at 6 a.m. It's 438 miles door to door. I had a nice stop for lunch.
Oh, it's already been a day for you.
But I got my camper van to camp here.
That's awesome.
Camping at Garden Answer.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I got a special gift for the whole family, but since Benjamin's awake, can we get Benjamin?
Yes. I'll go
Okay.
get him.
He's out by the pond.
What's up, bro?
Whoa!
Run, Forrest, run! How you doing, man? I got something that's alive. What do you think it is? Count how many fish I got.
1, 2, 3.
We got 4 fish.
Those are big.
So why do you think we got 4, Benjamin? 1 for everybody in your family.
Oh, fun.
I think this one should be smaller.
Oh, you're picking the prettiest one for your mom?
Oh, you're so sweet.
I think I'm picking that one.
That one right there for me or for you?
Me.
You?
That's the show
Yeah.
up.
What kind is this one right here?
That is an Ogon.
Ogon.
Yeah.
That's a beauty.
Actually, that's a Yamabuki Ogon. Yep.
Oh, my goodness. And then
Yep.
what do we got over here?
And then we have a Kohaku, which is the traditional one, the orange and white with some Jinrin. And then an Ochiba, which is the dark one, which is the friendliest koi.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the Ochibas are the friendliest
Oh,
koi.
fun.
So let's put these in the pond.
Let's do it.
Are these bigger than the ones you got now?
I think so.
Oh, look at that. Look at that foxfire lily. So we're gonna float them for about 30 minutes,
Okay.
40 minutes, till the water temperature gets about the same. And you'll have 4 big koi in there.
Thank you.
Yes.
That's awesome.
It's looking great.
Oh, we are enjoying it.
All right, so here's why I'm coming for right out here, huh? It's camping at Laura's.
Yes.
And bringing a fire rock. And we're gonna roast some marshmallows, sit by the pond, and just kick back and enjoy the pond.
And that's the best part of the pond
Yeah.
right there.
So we cast it off of a real stone.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Got it, Benjamin?
Hey, Benjamin, come stand by me, sweetie, real quick. Oh, that works out perfect.
We'll be roasted marshmallows tonight.
Yes, we will. That's awesome.
So it's just a propane tank that goes, connects to it. But I bought a fake stump.
Oh, perfect.
So that's a seat as well.
Oh, nice.
Right. Wherever we put it, we're just gonna put a fake stump on top of it.
Perfect.
We'll just pull up these 3 stones, regrout them when the guys are grouting everything,
Right.
and we will just run it right over here to the stump.
So the
that you can see
propane
it.
tank will be in there.
The propane tank will be
Okay.
underneath here. This will go to the top of the propane tank, and we're ready to rock and roll.
And it doubles as an extra seat, which I love.
Yes.
It's perfect.
Yes, Benjamin will love sitting right
Yes,
here
he
in
will.
between you two.
Yep.
So then the only thing that we don't have is we just need whether we put broken glass or lava rock. So we might go by the garden center and see if they have any
Let's do
broken
it.
glass.
Okay. Is that what we need?
Yes. So now you just pick out what you want.
We do something like that. What's the coolest color? I mean, you know better than I do. Like
well,
it's clear.
personally, I think blue would look good with the pond to try to tie in the theme.
Okay. How
to the
many do we
pond.
need?
I would say 2 of those.
Okay.
I forgot the glass, and now we support mom's business.
That's
Mom and
right.
Dad's.
Perfect.
Oh, look at the Jinrin. This is a beautiful Kohaku. So the shiny scales is what the Jinrin on there.
So pretty.
And then this one is not as pretty, but in general, the Ochiba are the friendliest koi. That's your friendliest koi.
Woo! Woo! Full of energy. Look at that. Welcome to your new home. Oh, that's a gorgeous one.
So that's a
Look.
Showa.
Showa.
Yeah. And this is a Yamabuki.
Yamabuki.
Oh, he feels nice. He feels nice. There we go.
Good
There's
job.
your 4 new fish.
Thank you.
It's such a fun part of the hobby, the fish. And so you gotta help name them. You gotta find names for them, okay, buddy?
Hey, can you give me ice?
It's so cold. Here you go, dude.
All right, let's try it. Let's fire it up. I think we were right on with 2.
Perfect. Thank you.
Now that's my kind of home improvement job. 30 seconds and we're done. Boy, I can feel that heat.
Well, I bet you can. I think.
Yeah. So that's the highest it goes.
That's awesome. Oh, I can't wait till it's dark out.
Yes.
Yeah.
And get some marshmallows.
Yes. Oh, you guys, I can see all of the fish together. That is so much fun. So now there are 10 koi in there and our high fin banded shark, which is probably cruising around on the bottom somewhere. So backed up, look at the fire rock. Now the blue stone Greg thought would look really cool because, the pond theme and so on. But the fun thing about this is that it's not deep. So you guys saw before we put the rocks in, it only goes down that far. So you could take these out and you could put any color of glass. You could there's a really pretty amber colored one that I thought would be pretty for fall, or like a clear glass, or you could do lava rock if you wanted a little bit more of a natural look, which I kind of feel fits our space really well, but I thought it'd be real fun to try this one first. So you saw the underside of the rock is hollow, and then it's hooked to the gas line, which goes to the propane tank. and the propane tank will be hidden underneath this log. So we will kind of face it like this, and it actually serves as another seat, or you could put a potted plant on it. And then there's that little opening so you can turn the gas on or off. And here is a backed up look at the space, just so you can see how the rock fits in, and it just blends nicely. It really goes with the whole theme out here, the whole feel. And then of course, like I said, the propane tank and all of the infrastructure will be hidden. You won't see that. So it'll just look like this rock hanging out in the middle, and then you could swap out colors if you wanted to, but that's pretty cool. Oh, I just love seeing the movement of the fish in there. Okay, I see 6 of them right here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, fun. All right, guys, it's not even all the way dark out, but we couldn't wait. Look at how beautiful this is. The push of one button, the fire turns on. You can dial it up or down if you want to. Do you have a roasted marshmallow? Oh, that looks like perfect. You gonna eat it? What does it smell like?
Smells like delicious.
Smells like delicious.
So fire and water go together like peas and carrots. What do you think of your fire rock, dude?
Cool.
I think it fits great right there. And the fun thing about it is that you can just turn it on and turn it off with the flip of a switch. And this is my favorite thing to do. It's a cool evening, just get a little bit of warmth by the fire. This is what it's all about right here. It's as good as it gets.
I can't believe this was a flat piece of dirt.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
And now we're sitting in here and watch the stress melt away. And Laura, here's the cool thing. Your fans can win one of these just by going to Instagram. The faux fire rock from Aquascape. Have your own one of these. It's light, 80 pounds. 2 guys can put it in very easily. You can set it up in minutes. We set this up in minutes. And all they got to do is go to your Instagram, follow both of us, and then they enter to win. And 24 hours later, you're going to announce the winner.
Yep. So now I feel like this area is complete. Like I felt like it was complete already. But you just don't even realize until you have something like that going and how it brings people together. Fire always does that, and this pond does that. This is where we want to be all the time, just sitting out here enjoying the sound, enjoying the fish, enjoying visiting with each other. It's just such a neat thing. And I'm just so grateful for Greg coming all the way up here. He's gonna camp here tonight, and we're just gonna enjoy the evening together right here. Now you guys, he is giving one of these away. One of these fire rocks. Bowstone fire pit. To win one, it's gonna happen on Instagram. You have to go to my Instagram, in my stories, there's a little bar that you can rate how much you like the fire pit, and then you wanna make sure that you're following Greg on his account. So we'll put all the information down below this video if you wanna be entered to win one of those. So I highly recommend based on my limited experience, but it's awesome. I'm loving it. Thank you, Greg. Thank you again.
I love my job.
I love your job too.
I think this is the quietest it's been here all day, Aaron.
Yeah.
The kids are somewhere else, and
Right.
Laura's taking care of them, and we're just kicking back here. Not bad. So I've been to some pretty nice camping spots. And I don't even know if I would call this camping, staying in a Mercedes. But when I got this sound and this kind of seating area right outside my camp area, I'd say that's not too shabby. Pretty awesome camping at Garden Answer. What a great family and a great time.